So for the next 90 minutes or so, we'll shortly hand over to our chair for the session, who will moderate a short set of framing presentations by our discussion leaders, and then we'll open the floor to questions and comments. And if I can just press on you, time being precious, so contributions to be kept concise, short, and precise. So with that, I'm very pleased to begin the session and introduce our chair for the session. His Excellency Syed Yousuf Raza Gilani is a statesman with over 4 decades of public service spanning grassroots leadership, national stewardship, and global engagement. His tenure as Prime Minister of Pakistan is remembered for restoring judicial independence, steering the 18th Constitutional Amendment, expanding fundamental rights, strengthening parliamentary and provincial autonomy, improving governance, and pursuing a balanced peace strategy. A committed advocate of inclusion and interfaith harmony, he secured representation for religious minorities in the Senate, instituted state recognition of major religious festivals, and advanced protections of sacred sites. He was ranked 38th on the Forbes list of the world's most powerful people in 2009. As Speaker, he strengthened parliamentary oversight to ensure good governance. Now, as Chairman of the Senate and founding Chairman of the ISC, he is advancing a dynamic parliamentary diplomacy agenda focused on interregional connectivity, inclusivity, mutual respect, shared prosperity, conflict resolution, peace and security. So without further ado, Honourable Chair, the floor is yours. Thank you.
Thank you. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Good afternoon, distinguished colleagues, honourable parliamentarians, and esteemed guests. It is my honour to extend a very warm welcome to you all. The Commonwealth has long stood as a beacon of democratic values, good governance, and multilateral cooperation. In today's interconnected world, our collective commitment to these principles defines how we respond to challenges. Be it democratic, backsliding, climate change, the rise of artificial intelligence, or safeguarding democratic institutions. Our session will run for 90 minutes. We will begin with insightful presentations from distinguished speakers, followed by question and answer session. I encourage each of you to actively contribute, keeping your interventions concise and inclusive so that every voice is heard.
Thank you very much. Khalid Syed, Leader of the Opposition in the Western Cape Provincial Parliament in the Republic of South Africa. And my question, actually, it's a build-up from what the gentleman from the UK, the Honourable Member, raised. Can we not use the fact that, in a sense, we're not saying that the Commonwealth is a non-aligned movement or a new form of the non-aligned movement, but in a sense, is there a possibility to craft it and to navigate in such a way that we can actually start emerging as a body that's able to resolve global conflicts? The issue of Gaza in particular. Then also we have, and I think that's the elephant in the room, the colleague of India spoke about Russia and other countries. But India and Pakistan. India and Pakistan are here in our midst, engaging with each of us separately, but not talking to each other.
Thank you all for that valuable insight. Colleagues, allow me to sincerely thank for discussion, leaders, rapporteurs, and all participants for your meaningful contribution. From today's dialogue, I would highlight 3 key takeaways. 1, strength abroad requires strong governance at home. 2, the Commonwealth's shared values enshrined in the Commonwealth Charter and the Latimer House principles remain our greatest asset in navigating global challenges. Parliamentarians are voices of the vulnerable and guardians of accountability. I encourage you all carry forward this discussion through CPA networks, including the Commonwealth Women Parliamentarians, the Small Branches Network, and new initiatives such as the Commonwealth AI Consortium, which provide vital platforms for cooperation and peer learning. One point has been raised that we don't shake hands with India. I shook hands with India. I'm ready to shake hands right now, even now. And there has been a question raised about some of the laws of minorities, especially Christians. But I have studied from a missionary schools, St. Mary's Convent, and my teachers, they were mothers and sisters from Christian community, and we have a great regard for them. And in Pakistan, as the Prime Minister of Pakistan, I set up a minority minister in my cabinet, and also interfaith harmony, that we are working for them. I thank you all for your valuable participation. This session is now adjourned.